Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Aslam here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Squarespace subdomain with the GoHighLevel. It's too easy, whether you are setting up your funnel and custom landing page or you are setting up your email services. I will guide you step by step how you can integrate your subdomain, Squarespace subdomain with the GoHighLevel. So let's dive into video and I will show you. So first step is you need to log in your GoHighLevel account. And also you need to log in your Squarespace account as well. So I already log in my GoHighLevel account. So first of all I'm going to integrate my subdomain for email services. So I need to go to setting, and after that I need to go to integrations option. Let me find integrate. No, I need to go with the email services because I'm linking domain for email services. I will go to email services here, and here I need to integrate with our subdomain. Here you can see they are saying that dedicated domain. Here I will go here, and here it's already there is a test domain, but I'm going to show you linking with another subdomain. Here I just click here, add here, and after that I just create my subdomain. For example, I say reply dot. Normally we will use for reply, link or something like that, response, but I'm going to create this subdomain here, reply.beyond whatever's your domain. You can put your domain.com here, and after that I need to verify this. Let me put my chat video here, and there is a two option. You can directly verify that if you are linking with GoDaddy or Namecheap, then it will be automatically configured. But in my case, I'm going to link with Squarespace. I need to put manuals all records. So I will go to record manually. Here is all these records I need to add in our subdomain. So we need to log in our Squarespace that I already have login. So first step is this. I need to go to setting here, or you can go to directly domain here. I'm going to go settings, and in the settings I need to go to the emails, domains and emails, and domain registrations, and I will say that we need to click on the domain. That's we are going to under create subdomain. So here I need to create subdomain. You see there is a DNS settings. I just click on a DNS settings, and here you can find the all DNS records here. So we need to add all those records that we have find in a GoHighLevels here. So first record is txt. For example, I need to create host. First is a txt, and here just add record here. What we can say that host was a this, and that was a txt record, and we need to put value here. Go back in the GoHighLevel again, and here we just click on a copy button. It will be copy automatically. We can say that it's save, and again go back here. We need another record here. Same, go back, simple step. We need to txt record and say reply, and we need to copy this value as well. So here we will say reply. There was a txt, and here we can just copy this value, required value, and after that here we need to put our this record, and after that we will go back, and you see the third record is our CNAME record. I just copy this one, and after that we will copy this one and go here back, and here we can say that we need to add another record here, and there was a this is our host, and type was a CNAME, and we need to put CNAME value as well. What was that's the value of CNAME. We need to put CNAME value here. Then we need to again add record here, but let's copy the other one. The other one is MX record. I just copy it's a reply. Okay, just copy this one. I can type manually the reply. The host is reply. Type was a MX. We can find MX here. Where is that's a MX record here. You see there is a priority. We will say One, because we have two MX same record, so that's why I'm going to put their name priority 1. So I will go back here and you see MX1. It's almost same thing, same name and same everything. So we'll say that save. I will check this one again and we will say reply, and I just copy this one, and I will go back here and I will record again, add records again, and I can say that reply is host and type is MX and priority is one is, and this is a second, so we'll say second. I just put this copy data here. Yeah, that's it. I have all record added in a so Squarespace. So let's verify domain here. Just we need to click here to verify. It will take some time to verify all the data, and your domain will be linked. Yeah, you see it's link almost. We just need to click again on verify, and ready to go. You see this domain is ready to go here, and I need to just set up header here and email services here, so it will be ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or any concern, just ping me, just comment below the video, or you can just go to this site. You can search Lead Flags. I just give a link in my YouTube channel. Go with this link and you can book free consultation, and you can discuss with me everything, whatever you want to discuss about this domain linking, or if you have any other questions, or if you have any other confusions about GoHighLevel. Thank you so much for watching this video.